Today's video question is a minor child in California injured in an accident required to go to court to get his or her settlement approved by the court? Would you like to know more? Well, come on in and join me. My name is Mark Blane. I'm a California personal injury attorney practicing law here in San Diego. This question comes up from time to time with parents who have injured children from a car accident, bicycle accident, and they want to know, Mark, if there's a settlement on my child's case and court approval is required, does my child have to attend that hearing, which is known as the Minors Compromise and Release hearing, per the law? Do they have to go? And the simple answer is no. There's no requirement that the injured child has to attend that court hearing, but it is encouraged. And I do encourage my clients to have their children go, especially if the injuries are ones that have scarring injuries. This way the judge can see the scar, how it's healed, just to make sure that extra benefit, to make sure that that child's getting the adequate protection or settlement value for that settlement. Remember, when an attorney in California has a child client and they get a settlement from a bodily injury case, it has to be approved by the court if the settlement amounts over $5,000 and of course the child's under 18 years of age. So if there's a scarring injury, I encourage the parents to bring the child to that hearing, which is a private hearing in court, usually done in the judge's chambers, so the judge can look at that scar and make sure that the settlement value is being adequately protected. Now sometimes the children are very small. Maybe they're 1 or 2 year olds. I've had very young clients. So in those cases, we generally don't need to bring the child in because they're so young, and any observation by the judge really is not going to be fruitful, but the medical records are there for the judge to review. So the answer is no, you do not have to bring your child in, but I do recommend it. I encourage my parents, the parents that I represent their children on, to go ahead and bring the child in so the judge can see those types of injuries, whether it's a scar. Sometimes there's neck injuries, but again, you know, judges aren't doctors, but they like to see and compare the medical reports with that injured child. So hopefully that answers the question. And why do I tell you about this? Because maybe you're looking for information on this. Maybe you've got a member or a family member who's been injured and needs lawyer advice or whatnot. I'm here to help, and my name is Mark Blane. I practice here in San Diego, California. My website's blanelaw.com. You can visit me there. You can see more videos online. If you want any other videos to see on child injury cases, you can post it in the comments section. You can also leave me your thoughts on the video itself. Again, this is Mark Blane from San Diego signing off. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye-bye.